Okay guys, so today we are going to be making this delicious plate of nachos. Oh so delicious looking and oh so delicious tasting. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to brown my meat, and when I brown my meat I'm adding some garlic powder, and I'm going to also add some granulated onion to the meat while it is browning. Next thing I'm gonna do is, after it's brown, I'm gonna drain it. Look at that. It's got some grease in the bottom of it. I don't want all of that. So I'm gonna drain my meat. And after I drain it, I'm gonna add my taco seasoning packets. I have two different brands. As you can see, they are two different colors. They have different seasonings in them. So I want the different variety of flavors. So I'm adding one from Taco Bell and one Old El Paso. And then after I add the seasoning mixes in, I'm going to go ahead and add my water to the pot. And after I add my water, I'm going to go ahead and stir them in. Mix it in, my seasonings and my water in with the meat. So after I did this, y'all, I tasted it and I was thinking, well, let me add some more. So I add one more pack of the Taco Bell seasoning to it. And now I'm going to stir it up. And what I'm doing is chopping up my meat while I'm stirring it to make it more finely ground looking for my tacos. So that's what I do. I just stir it up and I just chop it around. And after that, I put my Doritos down and I have me some restaurant style tortilla chips. Then on top of that, I put my taco meat. It looks delicious. And after I add my taco meat to the chips, I add me some lettuce. Put my lettuce on there. Not too much lettuce, but I added me some lettuce to it. And so after the lettuce, I just chopped me up some tomatoes and I put my cut up tomatoes on it. I love tomatoes, y'all. Love, love, love. So put me some tomatoes on it. And then, as you can see, after my tomatoes, I added me some pico. I love pico. I added a lot of pico to it. Pico. I got this pico from Walmart. It tastes good. I added mild. So, see, I put a lot of pico on it. Love it. It's full of a lot of flavor. Then I added some of this Herds guacamole salsa. It's medium. It was my first time using that. I added some of that to it. And next thing I'm going to add is my Taco Bell chunky salsa. It's mild and chunky. And as y'all can see, I like a little mild stuff. And then after that, I added me a cup of the avocado. Got these little avocado cups and I put some avocado on top of it. And then after the avocado, I put me some sour cream. And then it was finished. Look at how delicious it looked. Oh, I put some shredded cheese on it too. Delicious looking and delicious tasting. Thank y'all for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.